Hey guys, what's up? It's KMAS Productions here, and today we're going to be teaching you how to spray paint a Well MB08 L96 sniper rifle. It's going to be green, tan, and black.
Just show them the camo over there.
And yeah, this is what it's going to look like as a regular AEG, but so yeah. No. First thing you want to do,
Spray paint the whole gun black. But
spray paint the whole gun
gun's
black.
already black,
Obviously,
so
and you want to just tape up this part right here.
or any part.
Yeah, any part that you don't want to get painted. Yeah.
Then you want to start off with the first layer of whatever the hell you pick and go outside and get.
Yeah, just pick off random leaves from outside. And
annoying.
this gun is broken. I don't really want to pay $50 to fix it, so yeah.
I'll fix it later. Okay, after a little bit, you're gonna need to wipe down the leaves with something.
Yeah, preferably like a paper towel or something like this.
Shit, do you have anything down here?
I don't know.
I can use this thing. Try to get all the excess paint off the freaking leaf. Oops. Because then it'll smudge like so. And you don't want that. Shit. If you don't want to do the bipod, don't. And paint doesn't really go good onto the rubber things, so. Alright, that's how you do the first layer. After that, you want to let it dry for a little bit. Until it's completely dry, you can start on the second layer. Is there anything way you can pause that?